The reason why we are presenting this petition today is because it's a major concern that is been taken from one of our peer groups, and we want to achieve statutory sex and relationship education across all primary and secondary schools. We need statutory status so that it can be inclusive of same-sex relationship, it can be inclusive of gender identity issues, and all children, regardless of whether they turn out to be LGBT or not, their access to the right type of information. They know how to be safe, they know how to be healthy, and they know how to be happy, and they don't feel excluded or set aside in their classrooms. Ultimately, it will help to fight homophobic bullying, it will help to fight homophobic, transphobic and biphobic language in schools, and it will also help to make the working environment for the teachers a better place to be.